Okay, guys. So today we are going to take things to the next level in Loveable AI and Google AI Studio. So I created this API using Google AI Studio. This one is for a website for a musician. This is the late Musa Juma. So I think some of you should know him. Okay, so this is how the API looks like. This one is the API using Django REST framework and Django. So what I did is after creating this API, I just copied this documentation. You can download you can download this or just copy this documentation the way it is. Then come to Lovable. So I came to Lovable and asked it fix the cut functionality and checkout functionality and the missing functionality. So these are the functionalities in this website that I wanted this website to fetch from an API. So I gave it this API. This is the documentation of the API as copied. Then it gave me this. So I'm going to test it with you guys. So I'm going to open it in a new browser so you see the whole thing in 3D. So I have an account with Vincent. So every request I do, actually you'll see something here: API users, me, API token. Yeah. So this one I've just created it using Lovable, and the backend I used Google AI Studio, but some of my knowledge also. There's this shop functionality. You'll see if only 4 left in stock. And if you look at the admin page, you'll actually see there's four t-shirts left. So stock 4. Okay, so what we are going to do is purchase an item. So this one. So let me add one item cart. You can actually update the cart 2 items, then checkout, then pay. Now you see this one was paid, this one is processing. So we are going to pay. I've integrated PayPal also using Google AI Studio. Okay, pay $2. So I'm using PayPal Sandbox. I don't think I have that money. It's just Google. It's just Sandbox. Okay, one more step. Okay, you'll see PayPal payment for order associated with payment ID. This successful. So this page I should change it to show maybe payment successful for the user. A user friendly page. But for now, I think this is the website. So let me show you the website. Let me show you around. So sign in. We have a home page, biography page, music page. So if you know Musa Juma, you know these are his songs. Gallery. This one does not contain actual images. I just made random images. Blogs. No blogs actually created. That one. Events. This one is also not linked yet to the backend, but it's easy. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching. And by the way, I have a YouTube channel. You can check out my bio. I'll be going live creating some stuff in the YouTube channel. So I can't create more than 10 minutes of content on top, but on YouTube I can do that. So you can check out my YouTube and subscribe.